morning, welcome back to the workshop. Just do a little update on what I've been doing to the Mini, the restoration. All of the welding's now completed on the wings, wheel arches, etc. The scuttles all in, the dash top. Just got a little bit of tidying up to do on the welds. The engine bay's all stripped out. It's ready to be painted, and then it'll be a case of clean paint, rebuild the subframe, new bushes, etc., bolt it back in, because I've got to get it mobile. It's going to the restoration show in March. We'll be in Hall 5 on the Boston Classic Car Club stand. Come along, see us, have a chat, be great to see you. I've got the steering rack to take out because it wants new gaiters, etc. The loom I've managed to thread through the bulkhead. It's all inside the car. I've done several Minis before. I've never seen so much wiring. It's unbelievable. So what I'll do next, then I'll give you a walk round of what I've been doing, and then I'll put it on the YouTube channel, and I'll put a load of stills, etc., to show you the progress. Thank you. Right then, here we go. As you, I've probably filmed this before, but I've had to put a panel in the offside front wing. It was rotted, because when they fit the 13-inch wheels to the sports pack, they have to cut the wheel arch out, and they have to put another lip on, which is actually spot welded to the original wing, and this is where they all rot. Double skin, it rots behind, so I've had to make a piece up, and I've put another lip on it. I've done the same with the near side, so that's looking good. Just wants a little bit of fettle in, and then we can get it filled. I say the scuttle's done. It's all ready to be filled, and then I've got the welds. They just want tidying up around here. While we're here, as I said, Christ, I've never known so much wiring in a Mini. I've done several Minis before, but they've all been a bit basic, but this has got just a little bit more technology, sensors, its injection, immobiliser, everything. As you can see, I've took the steering column out. I needed to get the pedal box out. Where it bolts here, 3 of the studs broke, so I've got that to repair. What I shall do, I shall cut the 3 broken ones off, drill it out, and then I shall weld some set screws back up, and job's a good one. Right, all the front of the wings are done. I've had to let pieces in here, around here. I've had to rebuild all the top of where the bonnet fits, the slam panel. Again, same on the near side. I had to cut a piece out here, but I've managed to keep the join, so I've made that out of 2 bits of metal. Did a spot weld down there. Again, I've kept all the line around the front panel. This is one reason I didn't want to fit a wing. The aftermarket panels are really rubbish. Again, you see I've had to put a piece in the around the wheel arch on the near side. Now the engine bay's all stripped, ready to be flatted, primed and painted. I'll be able to move the fill parts, etc., out the way when I've taken the steering rack off. As you can see, it needs a new gaiter. And basically that's where we are at the moment. So what I'll do, I'll post some stills of my progress on YouTube and let you know how we're getting on. Thank you.